loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Maricel here. We are here at my kitchen again. How's everyone? Hope all is well. In today's video, I would like to share to you how I make my very own Maja Blanca. It is a popular Filipino dish. Main ingredients, mainly it's a cornstarch and a coconut milk. The texture of this is like pudding, and it is also known as Maja Blanca con Mais, something like that. So without any further ado, tara, samahan niyo ako magluto. So here's our main ingredients. So we have here the condensed milk, evaporated milk. We only gonna use 1 cup of this milk, and we have here 2 cups of coconut milk, but of course fresh coconut milk it's a lot better, but I don't have it available. So we need also lemon juice. We're gonna be needing only half a teaspoon of this, and this is a vanilla extract. You can use vanilla essence, whatever available you have. We'll only be needing 1 teaspoon of this. So we have cornstarch here. We need 1 cup of cornstarch, and we do have sweet corn in here. You can use some sweet corn one in the can. I have that frozen one in a plastic bag. I believe that let's see, it's almost 1 cup of sweet corn in here. Alright guys, umpisahan na natin magluto. So alright guys, I have the cooking pot in here and it's already warm. So we're gonna go ahead and pour our coconut milk. So we'll be using these 2 cans. Bring this to a boil. Let the coconut cook for a little bit. And by the way, my loves, I forgot to mention, we do need 1/2 cup of sugar. So you can use brown sugar or white sugar, but I prefer white sugar. So we're gonna go ahead, put the lid on, and wait until this boil. So yung coconut milk, mga loves, it's boiling now. So I let it simmer for, let's see, like 12 minutes, 12 to 13 minutes. So that means it's halfway cooked now. And now I am going to add our sugar. This is only 1/2 cup. And let's stir our coconut milk with that sugar. Let's just make sure it's dissolved before we put the rest of the ingredients. So we are just in a medium heat. So now we can add on our condensed milk. So nag-change yung mga flavor ng Maja Blanca, mga loves, over time. Kasi yung mga tao nag-iimbento ng flavor. For instance, masarap din ito with jackfruit, yung langka. My family used to use langka as well. My sister loves to put durian. So but traditionally common flavor is sweet corn, and if this is cooked, you can put a garnish on top of your Maja Blanca, like latik, how do you call that, like, or desiccated coconut, something like that. And you can garnish also a crushed peanut. You can also garnish cheese. Like me, I'm going to garnish cheese on top of this. So That's completely dissolved. Now I'm gonna add on just half a teaspoon of lemon juice just for a twist, so the taste will balance. And this is our vanilla extract, half a teaspoon. Let's stir it one more time. And then we can add on our sweet corn right now. We're gonna bring this to boil again, simmer for several minutes. So while I'm waiting for our coconut milk earlier to boil, mga loves, this is what I did. So here is 1 cup of cornstarch in it and a 1 cup of evaporated milk. Some people use fresh milk, but I found the evaporated milk creamier. So alright, we're gonna put on our lid again and bring this to boil. So I let it simmer for another 12 minutes, mga love. So I'm pretty sure the sweet corn is cooked now, and as you can see, it's boiling really good. So let's just stir it really quick before we add on our evaporated milk and cornstarch mixture. Make sure that this time make sure that the heat is in low heat only, okay? I'm going to add this right now, and we have to constantly stir after this mixture will be added on to the coconut milk. So here it is, and as you are stirring it, this will slowly get thick. So as you can see, it's getting thicker now. So like this is the kind of texture that you want to achieve. So I'm stirring it, but I'm folding it in one direction only. So you see? So this is gonna be, good enough and ready to put in our trays. There you go. And let's just even make it sure that it covers everything into our tray. Just trying to even the size. So here's our creamy Maja Blanca, mga loves. Yummy. So I hope you learned from this video today, mga loves. Try it at home. It's very simple and easy to make. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you do new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button so you will be notified each time when I have a new upload. See you in my next one. Bye!